Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you two practical ways to split a long video using FFmpeg. First, make sure FFmpeg is installed and available in your system path. If you don't know to configure FFmpeg, watch this video. Let's begin. Place your input.mp4 in an easy-to-find folder. We are putting it in D drive. On Windows, open Command Prompt or PowerShell. On macOS or Linux, open Terminal. Now we're ready. In the first method we'll split the video into equal parts, like every 10 minutes, without re-encoding. This is the fastest method and keeps the original quality. Let us type the command and explain each part. Input.mp4 is the input file, or the long video which we want to split. Copy means stream copy. The video will be split without any re-encoding, so it's fast and lossless. Map 0 it means that after split, the new parts will include all streams, video, all audio tracks, subtitles, chapters if present. Segment _time 600, every new piece of video will be 600 seconds, which is 10 minutes. F segment, use the segment muxer to split automatically. Output _%03d.mp4. Hit enter. And that's done. Now let us see the output. Go to C drive, then Windows folder, then System32, and here are the output segments. In next part of the video we'll change the output path as well. Now let us type the command and explain its parts. Input.mp4 is the input file, or the long video which we want to split. SS is the start time of the clip. First set of zeros represent hours, the second set minutes, and the third set is for seconds. 2 is the end time of the clip. Type 10 in the minutes section to cut 10 minutes long segment from the video file. Copy means stream copy. The video will be split without any re-encoding, so it's fast and lossless. We will store these parts in D drive. Part 1.mp4 will be the first part, and hit enter. And part 1 is done. Let us check in D drive. Now repeat the process for second part. Remember to change the timestamps. And hit enter. You have to enter the command for every split. And you can see it is exactly 10 minutes. That's it. You now know how to split videos with FFmpeg using equal parts or exact time ranges, both without re-encoding. If this helped, like and subscribe for more practical editing tutorials.